Creating versatile outfits with mix and match blazers. Creating versatile outfits with mix and match blazers. Blazers are one of the most versatile pieces of clothing that anyone can have in their wardrobe. They are perfect for any occasion, from casual outings to formal events, and they can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Blazers come in a variety of styles, colors, and fabrics, making them a perfect choice for mix and match outfits. With the right blazers and pairings, you can create a range of stylish outfits that are ready for any occasion. What is a blazer? Before we dive into how to mix and match blazers, let's first define what a blazer is. A blazer is a type of jacket that is typically made of wool or wool blend fabric and features a single-breasted design with 2 or 3 buttons. Blazers are often tailored, with a form-fitting silhouette, and are available in a variety of colors, patterns, and styles. Blazers can be worn in a variety of settings, from casual to professional, and can be paired with a wide range of clothing items. They are perfect for creating a smart and polished look that exudes professionalism and sophistication while remaining comfortable and stylish. Mixing and matching blazers. Mixing and matching blazers is about pairing them with other clothing items to create a stylish and fashionable outfit. Here are some tips for creating versatile outfits with blazers. 1. Start with a neutral blazer. If you are just starting with mixing and matching blazers, it is best to start with a neutral colored blazer such as black, gray, navy, or beige. A neutral blazer is easy to pair with a wide range of clothing items and is versatile enough to be worn to any event. A neutral blazer can be paired with different colored shirts, tops, and trousers to create an array of outfits. 2. Play with colors and patterns. Once you have a neutral blazer in your wardrobe, it is time to experiment with colors and patterns. Blazers come in a variety of colors, patterns, and styles, making them perfect for mix and match outfits. For example, you could pair a bold-colored blazer with a neutral top and trousers, or pair a patterned blazer with a solid-colored top and a pair of jeans. Don't be afraid to get a little creative with your pairings. 3. Find the right fit. When it comes to blazers, the fit is essential. A well-fitted blazer can make all the difference between a stylish outfit and a frumpy one. Make sure that your blazers fit well in the shoulders, chest, and waist. You should be able to move freely while wearing your blazer, but it should not be too loose or too tight. If you are unsure about the fit of your blazer, it is best to get it tailored. 4. Casual outfits. Blazers are not just for formal occasions. They can also be paired with casual clothing items to create a stylish yet relaxed outfit. For example, you could pair a casual blazer with a t-shirt, jeans, and sneakers for a casual day out. Alternatively, you could pair your blazer with a sweater, chinos or corduroy trousers, and boots for a more refined yet casual look. 5. Dressy outfits. Blazers are the perfect clothing item to wear to dressy events such as weddings, dinners, and parties. For a formal event, pair your blazer with a dress shirt, dress trousers, and dress shoes. You could also add a tie or a pocket square to add a touch of elegance to your outfit. For a less formal event, you could pair your blazer with a collared shirt and khakis or dress trousers. 6. Layering. Layering is a great way to add depth and dimension to your outfits. You could layer a blazer over a sweater or a cardigan for a stylish and comfortable outfit. Alternatively, You could layer a blazer over a button-up shirt or a turtleneck for a classic and sophisticated look. 7. Accessorize. Accessories are an easy way to add a personal touch to your outfits. You could add a belt to your blazer to create a more fitted and polished look. You could also add a scarf or a pocket square to your blazer.